Back when you were too young to know what love is real. But somehow, something never changed. The stars and who the flame is burning even brighter than it did before. It got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time I will you.
Marunong siya magbasa.
All the time we were apart, I thought of you. You were in my heart. My heart changed. I still feel the same.
Yeah!
Especially for you.
Yeah! Para sa'yo lang ako!
Don't wanna let
Yeah! Diretso lang! Diretso, boy!
Nagpapatawa tayo.
Uy! Mga content. To be where you are, no matter how.
for you.
Especially for you. Especially for you.
I wanna let you know now.
Sige, di. Alam mo yan. Kaya na yan. Awang sana. Ay, gusto ko puro first verse lang. You changed my life. You show me the way. Without a met you, I wait long enough to find you. I want to put on it.
My heart is oh so true. And all the love I have is especially for you.
Kaya ako yung kiss ako eh. Okay, Bea.
One time
We've been together. Every little smile, it's special smile.
the twinkle in your eye, the little while.
Give it time, just a little more.
One time so we get closer.
70 plus 20. You and I. Ganda yung kumot.
Ayun, bago nga matapos ang aking birthday mga kamaster, ayun naisipan natin. Ayun, lumabas, sunduin yung mama nila sa trabaho at kumain sa labas. Ayan, dumating na nga kami sa trabaho ng mama nila. Ayan, oh. Daming tao kaya dito muna kami sa tabi. So ayan, oh, dami. So dito sa side na to, ayan, oh, daming tao. So ayan, hintayin na lang namin na mag-close yung store ng mama nila. Pagod lang.
Sisig ka. Palagi niluluto ni mama kayo.
Medyo madilim nga yung ating video dyan mga kamaster kasi ating gabi. 12 midnight po siya. So ayan. Nagkayayaan lang kaming kumain sa labas ng mga kamaster.